Blockwoodz, a premium brand. If nature can grow it, we can grind it. Blockwoodz merges organic innovation with wellness lifestyles and blockchain technology for authentication. Here are some wood options. Red oak, tough and strong, perfect for durable builds. Maple, smooth and light, great for clean finishes. Walnut, dark and sleek, adds class to any project. Cherry, ages like fine wine, rich color over time. All options coming soon. Premium quality, fresh styles. Check out our premium, all-natural grinders, designed for those who appreciate quality and craftsmanship. Blockwoodz, where quality and nature unite.